Hey everyone, welcome to AI Coloring Page, the app that lets you create unique coloring pages in seconds using just your words. Let me show you how it works. First, sign up for a free account. You'll get 3 free credits to start. Click Get Started for free. Once you're logged in, you'll land here. In the box, type a description of the coloring page you'd like to create. If you're not sure what to create, click Surprise Me. For example, I'll try cat and dog playing in a sunny park in New York. Click Generate Image. The AI will work its magic, and you'll see your creation come to life. The progress bar will let you know how it's coming along. Once your image is ready, you can print it, download it, or share it on Twitter, Pinterest, and Facebook. To share on Twitter, just click the Share on Twitter button. It'll automatically include a link to the AI coloring page. You can add your own text too. And that's how easy it is to share your creative masterpieces. You can also see all the images you have created. You will be able to download or print them as many times as you desire. Now, let's make a coloring book. Navigate to Amazon KDP on the menu. Note, this is still in beta testing. Type the theme and select the number of images you want to generate. The AI magic kicks in and does the magic in the background. Once it is done, you will be presented with more images than you asked for, so that you can select the best images for your coloring book. Also, you can edit the individual captions for each image. Make it authentic and in your own tone. Once you are done, you can click on Generate and View Book in PDF. This will return 2 things. One is a PDF of all the images along with the caption, and 2, a details PDF which contains a title, subtitle, SEO-optimized description, and back text for your final coloring book, ready as a manuscript for your Amazon KDP. Be on the lookout for our announcement once the feature is live. That's all there is to it. With AI Coloring Page, the possibilities are endless. Now it's your turn to unleash your creativity. Happy coloring!